For this problem video, we will be going through chapters 9, 10, and 11. My question for chapter 9 asks, which of the following atoms and ions is the largest? Option A is F, option B is F negative, option C is Cl, and option D is Mg. The first step to solving this problem is just to identify the number of electrons. So F has 9 electrons, F negative is 10, Cl is 17, and Mg is 12. So the rule we have to follow is that atom size increases with the number of electrons while moving left to right down the periodic table. So if we just follow the list that we already made right here of the number of electrons, that gives us our answer being Cl with 17 electrons. The next question for chapter 10 asks, below is the Lewis structure of hydroxide, which is OH. How many bonded pairs surround the oxygen, and how many unbonded pairs surround the oxygen? So pairs found between atoms are bonded, and pairs found between atoms in empty space are lone pairs. So what we simply have to do is just count. So between the atoms, we've just got the one pair, and between an atom and lone space, we have 1, 2, 3 lone pairs. So that will give us our answer of 1 bonded and 1 lone pair. Finally, we have chapter 11, which says, analyze the Lewis structure below and answer the questions regarding the highlighted atom. So our first question is, how many sigma bonds does the atom participate in? And the second question is, how many pi bonds does the atom participate in? So our rules for this one are single bonds, add 1 sigma, and double bonds, add 1 sigma and 1 pi. So in this case, we follow the rules and count the bonds. So we're looking at this carbon, and for single bonds, we have 1, 2, and for double bonds, we have 1. So that means for our sigmas, we have 1, 2, 3. And for our pi's, we just have 1. So that gives us our answer of sigma being 3 and pi being 1.